Welcome back to Stylish Seniors, where fashion has no age limit. Today we're diving into sustainable boho style, a chic, comfortable, and eco-friendly way to express your unique personality. We'll explore how to create a timeless boho look using ethical brands, secondhand finds, and DIY touches, all without breaking the bank. If you love fashion that's stylish and sustainable, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring looks. Let's get started. Boho fashion is all about flowing fabrics, earthy tones, and artistic details. But what makes it sustainable? It's about choosing clothing made from eco-friendly materials, shopping secondhand, and supporting ethical brands. By making mindful choices, you can embrace the boho spirit while also caring for the planet. And the best part? Sustainable fashion is often more affordable than fast fashion in the long run. A key part of sustainable boho fashion is selecting natural, biodegradable fabrics. Look for materials like organic cotton, linen, hemp, and bamboo, which are breathable, comfortable, and gentle on the environment. These fabrics also get softer with time, making them perfect for that relaxed, effortless boho vibe. Plus, they often last longer than synthetic fabrics, so you can enjoy your favorite pieces for years to come. One of the easiest ways to build a sustainable boho wardrobe is by shopping secondhand. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online vintage boutiques are full of unique boho-inspired pieces, flowy dresses, embroidered tops, and artisanal accessories at a fraction of the cost. Not only will you save money, but you'll also help reduce textile waste by giving pre-loved clothes a second life. Adding a personal touch to your wardrobe can make your boho style even more unique. Try upcycling old garments by adding lace, embroidery, or fabric patches. A simple oversized scarf can be transformed into a stylish kimono, and old jeans can become a trendy boho bag. These DIY projects are not only fun but also a creative way to extend the life of your clothing and reduce waste. If you prefer to buy new, there are many ethical brands that align with the boho aesthetic. Look for companies that use sustainable materials, fair trade practices, and eco-friendly production methods. Brands like Pact, People Tree, and Mata Traders offer stylish, comfortable, and ethically made boho pieces that you can feel good about wearing. Supporting these brands helps promote responsible fashion while keeping your wardrobe effortlessly chic. Sustainable boho fashion proves that you don't have to sacrifice style for sustainability. By choosing eco-friendly fabrics, thrifting, upcycling, and supporting ethical brands, you can create a wardrobe that's both beautiful and kind to the planet. Which of these tips will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and stay stylish.